leads me to another question, which is you've got, I mean, I see the images you have aside behind you. One of them, yeah, is the goal, to be Australia's #1 provider of enhanced performance part. And I love the 2025, then sort of faded in the distance to 2027. And so of course, a question that comes to my mind is, how do you choose? I mean, for your R&D team, your designer team, like, how do you choose what to take on? Because if you're, even if something takes 2 months, if you've got 10 of those projects going, that's quite a lot of development. So how do you sort of approach that? Do you have a team or multiple teams to set aside just continuously working on those types of projects?
Yeah, so we essentially just pick products. So we always have a working list of new developments that we're prioritizing and reprioritizing. So typically speaking, we would have like-for-like product to backfill anything. We've got a good road runway of product coming through. And then what we would do is if someone comes to us with an issue or our account managers are out at site. So one of the main things I've asked all of our account managers to do is say, right, find more problems, find more problems that are aligned with our core focus. You mentioned 50,000 products. I'm trying to get that down. I don't see any reason why we should be trying to produce any more than around 10,000 products, because to me, a wider breadth means a loss of fidelity on being the best. So we want to be the world's best at less. And we've noticed that whenever we focus, we end up with something that really breaks through and makes a difference. And I can see here as well, we've recently had to say no to a few things because there's simply not, there's not this underlying reiteration of focusing and
Right.
solving a problem properly. We'd be another generalist trying to solve a problem. So the problem, for example, might be, it constantly takes us 6 months to get this product because it's hard to make from XYZ place. For us, that's not necessarily a design and real enhanced performance product opportunity. That's more of a commercial supply opportunity. And so for us, we're looking at products that build loyalty, products that build partnerships, products that you can compound the difference. We're looking for marginal gain, assuming that the marginal gains are only accomplished if you're constantly improving how you do business, how you do maintenance.
Right.
So we prioritize based on mainly relationship, and then secondly, the impact that this product will have on that customer and the market that they're in.